My mother said, and my mother said, but why has she never taken her father's surname? They said that Ochima beat the president. He was little and ran away, hid under his mother's skirt. His mother said, "Don't beat my child." Then his stepfather, who didn't know Tajik well, got angry and shouted at Edik, "Don't hide the color of the bride behind the back of your coat. You're behind the back of your head, girl." That's why Sharipi still hates stepfather with a grudge in his heart. He did not forgive stepfather's words. Then, the son of the former prosecutor general, who was a very big boy and just laughed, told a historical story. If 40 years ago the president did not say a single word, then why should he forgive me? Forgive me or let me go from prison. They laughed, according to a former high-ranking employee of the Kadam RT, Colonel, who in 2012 was in the penal colony 3-7 of the Ministry of Justice of the Republic of Tajikistan of the main directorate for the execution of punishments of this ministry, located in the 33rd district of the city of Gisar Road behind the ADDRT, that this institution is located in this prison, which the employees also call Spetszin. The authorities served their sentences in their free time in the PVR or institutional club. 10 or 15 people sat down and discussed various issues in this area. Or, mainly, when the president will declare amnesty so that we can freely go to our children and families. It was in this same conversation that the anti-corruption agency, Saidov Fatok Goibovich, imprisoned the son of the former prosecutor general of the Republic of Tajikistan, Bobokonov Faizullah, for 10 years, due to personal hostility and bias. Such incidents were reported and discussed, and one of the members of this circle contacted Isla. Between 2000 and 2008, the National Palace building was built and commissioned in the capital. The name of this building is the Palace of the Nation. However, the Tajik people are prohibited from entering their palace, watching videos and taking photos. Only Rakhmonov and his family are allowed to enter the Palace of the Nation. In 2005, furniture and chairs, including the presidential chair, were imported from Italy for the Palace of the Nation. This chair is covered with gold water. The gold water chair for Rakhmonov was even given to customs officers as a gift. They are not allowed to see it. However, when declaring at customs, it turned out that the price of this presidential chair is $500,000. This is the price with which it was declared and registered with the customs authorities. We reported this information so that the nation would know that the president's chair in the Palace of the Nation